Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop, Day 1 for the OWL group. Today we are going to focus on what is a sparkle word. A sparkle word is an adjective. An adjective tells us about nouns. So when you see Miss Jensen put a sparkle into her writing, I'm putting an adjective into my writing. An adjective tells us about nouns, so that means you can in your writing talk about the size of something, the color, how something feels, sounds, tastes, smells, looks. You can talk about how many things there are, how something behaves, the shape. You're really using your 5 senses when you're adding sparkle words in your writing. Makes your writing a lot more interesting. Let's look at this picture of pizza. I want you to turn to your partner. If you don't have a partner, I want you to make sure you get one. I want you to turn to your partner. Talk to your partner. Describe this pizza for me. Using your 5 senses, what do you see? What do you think you would hear if you were there? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? Can you count anything? Pause the video and describe this picture using sparkle words. Welcome back, friends. Can I share what I thought? Here's some of my sparkle words. Tasty, round, cheesy. What did you guys think? I also said there are 10 green peppers. Yeah, I counted. Brown mushrooms and red pepperonis. So I used my 5 senses. I used my number words, my color words. Those are some amazing sparkle words that I can add to any writing. Let's keep going. Turn to your partner and talk about this picture. Use your sparkle words to describe it. All right. Did you guys have a good time looking at this picture? It was very interesting. So here's some of the adjectives or sparkle words that I came up with. I saw there were 2 insects, colorful wings, and in my brain I was thinking bzz, bzz. That would be a great interesting word to put into my writing, the sound of them. And I also thought of fresh air. When I saw this picture, I thought, oh, I bet I want to breathe in that fresh air. Those are some great adjectives. Let's keep going. Oh, what do we have here, friends? I see Mr. Petrie and Miss Edwards. I want you to describe this picture using your sparkle words. Go ahead, pause the video. Welcome back, friends. Here's my sparkle words. Funny, 2 kind people. I see Mr. Petrie and Miss Edwards, that's 2 people, and I describe them as kind. That's a great sparkle word. Ouch, that looks like it would hurt. Yeah, I was using some really good sparkle words to describe this picture. All right, what I want you to do now is I want you to look at this picture, and I want you to make a video on Seesaw describing this picture with 3 sparkle words. And I want you to send it to your teacher on Seesaw. Have fun!